5:43 remaining here in Game 6. Over 14,000 fans are inside the Big Dome, and for the thousands more watching at home over ABC, magandang gabi po sa kanilang lahat. We hope you're enjoying every shot and every bit of action here in this game as James Yap on court. Bola nakuha ni Kirby Raimundo. Here's Yap on the ball, hanging in the air, and he is fouled.
But Nico, that layup para kay James Yap came off another rebound by the big man of Pure Foods. You look at the big man of Pure Foods. On one end, you have Mark Pingris. Meron na siyang 19 rebounds. Sumunod sa kanya, Romela Ducol, 13 rebounds. You know, these guys, tapos Roger Yap at the point guard position, 8 rebounds. As a team, Pure Foods has 10 more rebounds compared to Santa Lucia. And again, they are going back to their strength, which is rebounding.
Ang tinawagan po ng foul kanina, si Dennis Espino, and that was his third personal foul. Yun po ang pangalawang team foul laban sa Santa Lucia. Second free throw is good for James Yap. And it's back to a 4-point lead para sa Pure Foods, 73-69. Lagpas kalahati na tayo sa fourth and final quarter. And here's rookie Ryan Reyes, eyeball to eyeball with James Yap. Here's Espino. Espino on the move. Espino could not pass the basketball. He passed it to the wrong man. Turnover.
On one end, you have a Pure Foods lineup, Miko, with a wealth of experience on their side. Look at that lineup. Competing naman yung sa Santa Lucia. James Yap makes another big shot. 2 rookies, 1 sophomore.
PM3 for James Yap, and he is the man with a million moves and the man of the moment. At Pure Foods, biglang lumayo rito, 76-69. James Yap back with a vengeance here after missing Game 5. Back inside the Big Dome, pagpapatuloy ng ating live and exclusive coverage of the PBA, Ambassador Dandingo Wangko, watching the proceedings intently. At yan, Commissioner's Row, Chairman of the Board, Mr. Tony Chua, talking with ABC's Mr. Bobby Barrero. Willie Marcial, of course, is there. Miss SGO, Shena Olaso, along with Winston Cruz of ABC, Richard Del Rosario, game producer Jason Webb, and inyong lingkod, Nico Alili, welcoming you to Game 6. At ito, less than 5 minutes remaining. Pati ating mga kasamahan sa Radyo PBA, Magu Marjan and Joey Santa Maria. We're all here, all the talented men and women of ABC Sports, hoping to bring you frenetic, pulsating action from the PBA Finals. And, you know, for Santa Lucia, they really have to stop the man with a million moves, James Yap, who now has 24 points. And with James Yap at the forefront of this juggernaut, Pure Foods is threatening to build a big lead here.
Isa yan sa pinag-usapan natin sa webpage. Ito si James Yap at si Kirby Raimundo. In the second half, you have to make sure that they don't get the right touches and they don't get attempts at the basket.
And this has been a frustrating game for Kelly Williams.
Nakita natin, ito naman, all game long, the defense of Pure Foods has done its share. And still, here in the fourth quarter, ganun pa rin katindi ang depensa ng Pure Foods.
Here's Raimundo. Outside, Roger Yap spins. Pinasa kay Pingris. No! Williams with the rebound. Kelly Williams now with, I believe, 14 rebounds as Realtors miss from the outside. Here's Mendoza. 15 rebounds for Kelly Williams. Here's Kelly Williams. No! Perhaps not the best option there if you're Santa Lucia. Oh, Paulo Mendoza with a swipe. 2-on-1 break. Here's Espino. And Espino will go to the line. Roger Yap ang tinawagan ng foul is third personal. Puntahan po natin si Dominic Uy.
Nico, in that last huddle, pinaalala ni Coach Boyet Fernandez sa kanya mga manlalaro, don't worry about the calls and the non-calls of the referees. Kailangan natin bumaba sa depensa, especially close out on James Yap dahil siya ang shooter in today's ball game. Nico?
Salamat, Dominic. Espino misses the first free throw. That was a crucial miss with 3:58 remaining here in the fourth quarter.
You know, James Yap, I'm sure, is the main topic of that Santa Lucia huddle. He has scored 14 points in this quarter. Of course, Mark Baker is all game long. He's brilliant. Pero itong Pure Foods, it seems, if they need a basket, if they have needed a basket in the fourth quarter, James Yap has easily obliged, happily obliged here in the fourth.
Here's Raimundo. Kirby against Espino. Kirby fires. Rebound for Ryan Reyes. 6 points ang kailangan na bulin ng Santa Lucia. And our fast break play is broken up by the Pure Foods defense. When you talk about a defensive ball game, just look at the score, ladies and gentlemen. There is a 70. Oh, James Yap is on fire.
Because that is James Yap's 5th three-pointer here in the fourth quarter. It's a big game, and it's a big game, James.
Pero bumawi naman si Paulo Mendoza. So palitan ng TM3 for both teams. Mendoza with 11 points off the bench. Anim pa rin ang abante ng Pure Foods dito, 79-73. Less than 3 minutes remaining here in Game 6. Can Santa Lucia get back in this game and win their first All-Filipino Championship, or will Pure Foods force a Game 7? Rebound for Kelly Williams. That's rebound number 16.
Two turnovers para kay Ryan Reyes. The first one, he gave away trying to give it to Dennis Daa. This time around, too much power in that pass.
Okay, so it's a 30-second timeout here para sa Pure Foods. And Santa Lucia throwing away precious possessions here in the end game. Although meron pa tayong 2.5 to go in Game 6. But you know, yung mga laro na ganito, every possession is like gold. Na hindi pwedeng sayangin at tapos na lamang ng ganun. But James Yap has been absolutely the man of the moment and the biggest thorn on the side of Santa Lucia. And here's our boy Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad, kaya buhay Coke. Buksan mo! And you know, we're talking about James Yap. James Yap is so hot. He has outscored Santa Lucia in this quarter on his own, 17-14.
17 points, 15 of those points coming from three-point range. Tapos nagtagal mo pa ng dalawa. But again, he's able to get the basketball.
Here's Roger Yap on the move. Roger Yap got his own miss. Bagong shot clock para sa Pure Foods.
That's Roger Yap's 9th rebound. Etong actually the 10th rebound para kay Roger Yap. So patuloy yung rebounding nitong Pure Foods.
Here's Roger Yap. Kick out. Raimundo fires. Sumopra. And the ball goes to... Teka muna, there's a foul. There's a foul. As we enter our last 2 minutes, it's a outlast maintenance free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig.
So this is a big possession para sa Pure Foods. They inbounded it on one side. Now they have a third time to run down a 24-second shot clock. As ito, yung kay Bitoy Omolon, hinihila niya doon si Roger Yap. As Bitoy Omolon, a non-entity. Sabi mo nga kanina, scoreless in this game, itong si Bitoy Omolon.
Wala pa sa penalty ang Santa Lucia. Pure Foods is in the penalty. 6-point lead para sa TJ Giants. We're hoping to force a Game 7 on Sunday. Raimundo, eyeball to eyeball with Espino. Here's James Yap. James Yap on the move. James Yap with nowhere to go. Raimundo, he spins, he fires, he is fouled.
You know, so many things going right para sa Pure Foods in that possession. First of all, tatlong beses sila nagkaroon ng 24-second shot clock. Ngayon, nakakuha pa sila ng foul. And now they have 2 free throws to extend the 6-point lead up to 8.
Kung sakaling magkaroon po tayo ng Game 7,
Kilala ko yan. Vice Mayor namin sa Parañaque.
kung sakaling magkakaroon po tayo ng Game 7, hindi po yan lalaroin sa Biyernes. Sa Linggo po ang Game 7 And by the looks of things, we might have another scheduled game dito sa Smart PBA Philippine Cup unless sa